What acts are considered crime? Murder can't be considered a crime. Murder is one of the gravest crimes in any legal system, involving the unlawful and intentional taking of another human life. While the legal definition can vary across jurisdiction, the core concept remains the same: a deliberate act that results in death. Understanding the full scope of this crime requires an exploration of its key elements, which include intent, malice, and the circumstances surrounding the unlawful killing. Murder is defined as the unlawful killing of human being with malice aforethought. This legal term refers to the perpetrator's mental state at the same time of killing, signifying that they acted with intent to kill or cause serious harm, or with reckless disregard for human life. One key element of murder is that it must be unlawful. This means that the act is not justified under the law, such as in cases of self-defense or wartime combat, where killing may be legally permissible. For a killing to be classified as murder, it must occur under circumstances where the law recognizes no excuses or justification. Another crucial aspect in murder is malice aforethought, which can take several forms. It may involve direct intent to kill, as in cases where the perpetrator premeditates and plans the act. Alternatively, malice can be present when someone acts with extreme recklessness, demonstrating a depraved indifference to human life, such as driving at dangerous speeds into a crowded area or engaging in other life-threatening behavior. Furthermore, under the felony murder rule, a person can be charged with murder if a death occurs during to the commission of a dangerous felony, regardless of whether there was intent to kill. In summary, murder is a deeply serious criminal offense that involves the unlawful and intentional killing of another person, often with varying degrees of intent and malice. The legal definition emphasizes the deliberate nature of the act and the absence of lawful justification. Whether committed with premeditation or through reckless disregard for life, murder remains one of the most severe crimes, reflecting society's profound value for protection of human life.
These are the reasons why people commit murder. Include jealousy, revenge, fear, and anger. These feelings may be conscious or unconscious. The act of killing may be spontaneous or premeditated. But as of this, there are also psychology behind murders. Like serial killers differ in many ways, including their motivations for killing and their behavior at the crime scene. However, attendees did identify certain traits common to some serial murderers, including sensation seeking, a lack of remorse or guilt, impulsivity, the need for control, and predatory behavior. There are also people committing murder because of the government for not giving some justice on any other cases that leads people to commit murder for them to revenge or to have justice and peace.
How a person might commit a crime involves various factors from psychological, social, and environmental influences. Here's a general explanation based on common theories. First, psychological factors. Some individuals may commit crimes due to mental health issues, personality disorders, or trauma. In certain cases, they may lack empathy, exhibit impulsive behavior, or experience intense emotions like anger or fear that cloud judgment. Disorders such as antisocial personality disorder or psychopathy are sometimes linked to criminal behavior. Second, social influence. The environment plays a significant role in shaping behavior. People growing up in poverty, unstable homes, or communities where crime is normalized may be more likely to engage in criminal activity. Peer pressure and the desire to fit with a group can also push someone toward committing a crime. Third, economic motivation.
In the Philippines, the penalty for committing murder are as follows. Reclusion perpetua, the standard penalty for murder, which entails imprisonment for 20 years and 1 day to 40 years. Aggravating circumstances. If there are factors that worsen the crime, such as premeditation or cruelty, the penalty may be elevated, potentially resulting in a longer sentence. Civil liabilities. Those convicted may also face civil penalties, such as compensating the victim's family. Death penalty. Although the death penalty was previously applicable for heinous crimes, it is currently prohibited under Philippine law. Thus, it cannot be imposed as a penalty for murder at this time.